Hello guys, and welcome back. Today's video I will share with you how you can integrate reward video ads in Android Studio. So let's get started. First I will create new project because I want to show you this step by step. Select empty activity, or you can do it in any code. For me, I will do it in this project, new project. I will type rewarded video, and then I will click finish. After that I will go to Admob documentation. I will type Admob like this and Android Studio like this. I will click on this link and then I will click here, and then I will scroll down. Make sure to have those and copy this. I will share with you now. Copy, go to your project. Let's wait for build the project. Okay guys, you will go here, click on this and click on open this build griddle project. Okay, and then open build griddle model. Now we will go here down, and as I tell you, you want to make a paste here. Okay, and for those, if you have build script, you can put this code. And if you have all project, that's also that just show on the in old code Android Studio. If you have it, check here and check here. If you have it, you can paste this repositories and this repositories. Okay, else you can just put this implementation. Okay, now go here down, go here, copy all this, right click copy and go to Android Studio, click on manifest like this. Here manifest this one, and then go under slash activity and right click paste or Control V. I will copy this one because it's for testing. You can replace it to your app ID when you integrate everything and you want to submit your app in Google Play Console. I will go down, go here also, copy this, only this one, copy this and go here, go to main activity or any activity you want to show the ads. Right click paste. Now I will click on no worry about this problem, just make synchronize and wait. Okay, good. Now just click here and click on Alt Enter. As you can see, again click on Alt Enter, again Alt Enter. As you can see, the problem is solved. Now I will go down and click on rewarded video and go down here. You will copy all this. As you can see, copy all this, right click copy and go here and go under this code that already pasted, go under and paste here. Again you will click on this and click on Alt Enter and click on Enter or click on import class. As you can see, we will select this one. Again Alt Enter, not if show you this, don't click on it, click here. Again import class, import class, again import class, again, and now we'll go back here and then copy those two lines and go here and go under this line, right click, paste. As you can see, all the problem is solved. Here you can replace your app add unit ID, your add unit ID for reward video in your app. You can replace it here. Minimize it and back again here and go here. Let's copy first this one. Okay, let's copy this one first, and then I will go back here. I will make first I will make a button. Let's make a button. Remove this because we want to show the reward video when we click on the button. Okay, let's do this first. Stay here. Okay, let me make this button big size. I will put 30 SB. Okay, now I will make a button. Button and name button, and then I will make a first let's put this on the function. Let's put it. I will make function load rewarded add like this, and make this function inside of main activity. Paste here, and then we are in on create. As you can see, I will make like this button equal find view by id r.id dot wait button like this, so we can get this button. As you can see, we can get this button when I click on control and click in my mouse here. As you can see, I will go to this button. As you can see, there is a line of button. Let me show you. There is a button, as you can see. Let's go now here, button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. Now I will make this code. Okay, let's copy this code again. Copy this one, go here, paste the code here, click on this to import the class again and again. Okay, everything now is good. As you can see, let's minimize this. Okay, now it's good. Let me copy this. I will show it here. As you can see here, I will show it here. I will load the ads when I am click on this button. When I click on this button, if the ads is show, then it will make load ads, so I can show another one. I think now everything is good. I will try to test and see if this is work. Okay guys, this is my real mobile. I will click on, as you can see, it's Oppo I will click on run and see if it will be work or no. Okay, this is a button. I will click now on this button. Let's see the run here, as you can see here. Okay, check it here. When I click on it,
This is a recorded video test ad. Nice job loading it.
as you can see, it's work. Everything is good. Why I am putting this? Why I am putting this load reward? Because if I put it only here, it will be load, and when I click on this button, it will be show this ads with this, but will not load ads again. That's why I put this to load ads again. So every time when I am click on this button, it will show the ads, as you can see.
Video test ad. Nice job loading it. I'm gonna go fire the reward callback for you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe in my channel. I will share with you a lot of things about how to make money online on application and website and selling product, digital product, and more. I hope you get this I hope you get the ideas and how you can integrate the ads on your app. Thank you guys, and goodbye.